Have you ever wondered how your hearing is tested? How do audiologists determine if you're hearing as well as you should be? Today we delve into the fascinating process of audiometry. Audiometry is a diagnostic test that evaluates your ability to hear sounds. It's typically performed by audiologists and serves three primary purposes. It assesses hearing, identifies hearing loss, and aids in the prescription of hearing aids. Now, imagine you're about to undergo audiometry. Here's what would happen. First, the audiometer, the device used for the test, is calibrated and checked for proper functioning. A quiet testing environment is set up to reduce external noise interference. You, the individual being tested, must be comfortable and understand the procedure. The audiologist then explains the test procedure to you, including what's expected of you. The main part of the test is pure tone audiometry. This involves presenting tones at various frequencies and intensities. The frequencies usually tested are 250 Hz, 500 Hz, 1000 Hz, 2000 Hz, 4000 Hz, and 8000 Hz. The testing begins at an intensity level well above your expected threshold. The intensity is then gradually decreased until you signal that you can just barely hear the tone. This is your hearing threshold for that frequency. These threshold levels for each frequency tested are recorded on an audiogram, which is a graph that displays your hearing sensitivity. Separate tests for air conduction using headphones and bone conduction using a bone vibrator are conducted. This helps differentiate between types of hearing loss. In some cases, speech audiometry may also be conducted to assess your ability to hear and understand speech. Once all the data is gathered, the audiologist interprets the audiogram. This interpretation determines the type, degree, and configuration of hearing loss, if any. Finally, the results are discussed with you and, if necessary, further evaluation or interventions such as hearing aids are recommended. Audiometry equipment is produced by several manufacturers. Some well-known producers include Myco and Interacoustics. These companies offer a range of diagnostic and screening audiometry equipment. So, to recap, audiometry is a diagnostic test that assesses hearing, identifies hearing loss, and aids in the prescription of hearing aids. The process involves presenting pure tone stimuli at various frequencies and intensities, recording hearing thresholds, and interpreting the results. Remember, regular hearing checks are important for maintaining good hearing health. So, if you haven't had your hearing tested in a while, consider scheduling an audiometry test. It's a straightforward process that provides valuable information about your hearing health. Thank you for joining us on this auditory journey today. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of audiology.